Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to share that I made these bracelets. These bracelets came out of the Curated Bead box. I think it's March or April box is my first bead box with them, and I absolutely loved it. They're so much prettier in person than like in the video. So I just made like a memory wire bangle, which was the first one, and then the second one, I just made like a really cute, simple bracelet. But it was really easy for me to make because I used this beadboard that I recently bought, and I just put everything on it, and then I just started creating. So it was super easy to make. Um, Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.